Hey guys, Jon Rioux here, back with another bus stop. Today, we're learning how to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Don't think I've ever made one in my life, can't be that hard, guess we're going to learn today. First step is to gather your ingredients. We're only going to need 3 here. 2 pieces of white bread, grape jelly, and peanut butter. We got here the Great Value Walmart brand peanut butter. Same goes with the jelly. Only top quality ingredients here. Next, we're going to put a healthy serving of peanut butter on one side and a nice serving of jelly on the other. And we're just going to spread it out. After you have a layer of each on one side of the bread, you just push them together. Simple enough. Take a bite. Gotta say, rated a 3 out of 10. Not really my thing, but that's it. Bye.